We booked this Grand Cayman East End Island tour through Carnival while on a 7-day Western Caribbean cruise on Carnival Pride. The tour is currently not available to purchase on Carnival's website, but a similar tour is available through Viator. During this tour, we visited the Tortuga Rum Cake Factory, where you'll see how they make the rum cakes. You'll be led by a guide touring the facility, and you'll have the opportunity to sample and purchase the rum cakes, as well as the rum that's used to make the cakes. We purchased 2 bottles of rum for $40 and was given a 3rd bottle free. For the price, the quality of the rum is excellent. We also visited the blowholes of Grand Cayman and Lover's Wall, which is a rocky beach area. Both locations are very scenic and offer wonderful photo opportunities. Our next stop was the wreck of the 10 Sails Park, where in 1794, 10 ships that were part of a convoy on its way from Jamaica to the United States sunk right off the coast of Grand Cayman. There is a memorial there on the cliffs on the waterfront, which is one of the highest points on the island that overlooks the side of the shipwreck. Our final stop was at a beachfront restaurant where we had the opportunity to sample some delicious local Cayman food that was included in our tour and locally made beer for additional cost. We hope you enjoy watching this video of our experience in Grand Cayman, and I've included a link in the description of this video if you would like to purchase a Grand Cayman East End Island tour. Please hit the thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and visit our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!
Islands. Now the Cayman Island consists of 3 actual islands, but here in this island in particular we have 5 districts. Alright? I'd like for you guys to take a look right ahead. You see this stoplight? You're not going to see much more of those for the rest of the day, okay? We have approximately 5 on this island. Either the Los Lagartos, which means land or large lizard, aka the Cayman crocodile. Alright, so and if you've ever heard of the Cayman crocodiles, that's a native species here to the island. The island itself was considered to be the island of women, right? Due to the fact that all of the men, due to limited job prospects, all went out to sea to actually work over on one of the oil rigs, warships, or something of that sort, right? Now, as you guys can tell, we drive on the left-hand side, right? So your wrong side is our right side, your wrong side. Alright, on all of our currency, you'll find that the late Queen of England still resides to be the face of the money here in the Cayman Islands. So our island here, Grand Cayman in particular, is 22 miles long by 8 miles wide. Okay. Raiding the island, because they were so prone to raiding the islands, it was so bad that, for instance, you live in Cayman Rock and Little Cayman, is the barrier reef that's surrounding the entire island, which is basically the lip of that volcano. Okay, so the island sits right inside of that, alright? Now that surrounds the entire island and has claimed over 600 ships throughout the many years. So we have gorgeous diving, gorgeous diving because all of these wreckages, as well as just the type of coral that we have. We even have some coral that glows in the dark. So nighttime diving excursions, as well as submarine rides, are gorgeous. As well as the fact that we do have bioluminescence on the island, both blue and green. Okay? So you see that right out there, folks? That consistent white line. The reef, or the rocks, go straight up to the surface of the water, and that's why you're seeing the waves crash against that, creating that white surge, right? just like that. Now, they bear a little white berry, okay? Do not eat the white berry. This is the fastest diet you will ever have. You're gonna spend the day sitting on the toilet with a bucket in your laps. Yeah, you don't want to make that mistake, okay? A lot of the folks here in Cayman know all about these little remedies. So what you'll do is, you'll take it when they're ripe, let them ferment for about a week or two, and then extract the juice. Now, if you want to skip all that process, you can buy the juice online, online pharmacies, little stuff like that. So you can buy the extract. Noni or Nuni, right? So that's what that's used for. Now, seeing this white building on your right-hand side with the red roof, that is one of the oldest buildings that served as a museum. 1 second, folks. Manager. Original Caymanian home, with the exception that the roof is not original. That would have been made from silver thatch palm. Now keep in mind, if you purchase this property, you are not allowed to live in there. Only maintain the property itself, because it's like a historical artifact. The government doesn't want them to be destroyed, as it's very, very old, as well as one of the only remaining ones. So you see the little boat in the back?
Yes.
That's what have been made from the same materials as the house. Now notice the house is up on stilts, right? That is because they had a hole in the floor so that anytime it flooded, they could just pull the cork out and all the water would just drain through.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they tried to turn this into an apartment complex, and we protested against that, forcing the government's hand, so they bought the land and therefore were forced to keep it as a public beach.